In this video, I'm going to show you how to change layer opacity in Pixlr in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to create a softer design, blend two images together, or make text and graphics partially transparent, adjusting layer opacity is one of the easiest ways to control how your project looks. And the best part is, once you know where to click, it only takes a few seconds. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Pixlr tips and easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure your Pixlr project is already open. Once you're inside the editor, look over to the right side of the screen and find the Layers panel. This is where every image, text box, shape, and adjustment in your project is listed. To change the transparency of something, you need to select the correct layer first. Left-click the layer you want to adjust so it becomes highlighted. That tells Pixlr exactly which element you're editing. Now that your layer is selected, it's time to open the layer settings. There are a couple of ways you can do this, depending on how you like to work. You can click the three dots icon on the layer, or you can simply right-click the layer itself. Both options will bring up the layer with controls you need. Once the layer settings are open, look for the opacity slider. This is the control that changes how visible the layer is. If you drag the slider to the left, the opacity goes down and the layer becomes more transparent. If you move it to the right, the layer becomes more visible again. You can also type a value directly into the box if you want more exact control. For example, if you want a subtle transparent effect, you might lower it to 50% or even less. If you want the layer to stay mostly visible, just reduce it slightly. This is really useful for all kinds of editing. You can make a background image fade behind text, soften the logo so it doesn't overpower the design, or create a layer-wide effect with multiple photos. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a huge difference in how professional your final image looks. If you're not happy with the result, don't worry. You can always go back and adjust the opacity again until it looks right. That's one of the benefits of editing non-destructively in Pixlr. You can experiment without permanently ruining your design. So, to quickly recap, select the layer in the Layers panel, open the layer for settings using the three dots or right-click menu, then drag the opacity slider or type in a value to make the layer more transparent. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn something new, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy Pixlr tutorials, beginner-friendly design tips, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.